meet Chef Mr. Prakash Patil, who is the chef of Hyderabad Convention Hotel. That's obviously in Hyderabad. So let's take a tour of the brunch that they have been offering on the Sunday. So let's hear it from Dr. Chef Prakash only. So we'll start with Shegdi counter.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is a Sunday brunch which we serve in Hyderabad Marriott's. Basically, our brunch is a mix of breakfast and dinner and lunch. So basically, this is a tawa counter which has been set right now. We have mix of vegetarians and non-vegetarians on the counter. We have specially prawns, fish, chicken, tawa fish which is made. In the vegetarian options, you get broccoli, paneer, the skewers, as well as the green vegetables. Fruit ka chaat hai, jo hamara special hai, which people love to eat as a vegetarian. The malai broccoli which is coming from the tawa, and the paneer rolls which are kept here to be served there.
Okay.
So that is how we cook it on the tawa. All my non-veg is cooked here, sir. The fish, the prawn, the chicken is cooked on the tawa.
So you guys use the same tawa for the non-veg and the veg?
The vegetarian is the tawa and the non-veg is
Okay, so basically these guys use the separate tawas for non-veg and the vegetarian. Obviously you can see the empty one right now, so nobody is actually having veg today. It's basically obviously Sunday.
This is the dosa counter. Chef, can you make one dosa for us? So this is a dosa counter for us, a live dosa counter which various condiments we have here. We have paneer, coriander, the chutney we serve with the gunpowder, cheese. So as per the guest choice and preferences, we make the dosa counter. We make the dosa for them. A nice podi dosa or a ghee podi dosa, the cheese dosa. These are the various speciality which we make on the counter here.
Super. So which dosa this is happening?
Szechuan dosa as well.
Okay.
So we have Szechuan noodles as well, which we serve on the dosa here.
Okay. Great. So this is happening right now, guys. You can see. So right now the chef is preparing a Szechuan dosa for us. So now the chef is going to use gunpowder, then obviously
नहीं इसमें वैसे क्या क्या जाता है चाइनीज डोसा है चाइनीज डोसा है नूडल्स और वो कौन सी चटनी शेजवान
So Sunday brunch actually they have a patio outside actually. So we have been using that place for this one. You can see the pool is also behind. So Chef Prakash Patil is preparing a dosa for us. I am just loving this thing. He is the main chef, master chef of this particular property. So mind you guys, so whatever is going to come to us is going to be an amazing delicacy. So that is happening. While this is happening, I'll just take another tour. Yeah.
Chutney, especially made South Indian coconut chutney.
Okay, so this is be getting served with the South Indian coconut chutney. You can see the massive bowl is here. It's happening right now. I'm going to have this one obviously, since it has been prepared for me. And while this is happening, you can hear the music, live music, that to entertain for the crowds which are coming.
Counter is a classic non-vegetarian dish which is always preferred and demanded in Hyderabad.
Okay.
So basically, boti parada is served with the homemade lacha parada. We make homemade lacha parada which have been reheated here, cooked again in the butter and ghee, and then उसको चूरचूरा करा के उसको बोटी के साथ हम सर्व करते हैं.
Okay, and that also.
The parada and the boti comes on like this.
So you can see the sample is happening, the boti paratha. So this is getting served in a manner it has to be. So Dr. Prakash is actually taking care of all these things right now for us, since we are shooting it properly. You can see this one is amazingly happening. Yes. So this is how it gets served. Amazing. Crazy. Fantastic. You can see the massive chunks of mutton. Amazing. So guys, now we are heading to the chat counter, classic chat counter. That's what they have been calling it. You can see the big puris are also here. Chef is also cooking. Preparing a dish for us. It's a samosa one. You can see a lot of things are here. What is this, Prakash sir? Okay. Okay.
Like a chivda, we have farsan we call, which goes on with the chaat on the samosa that as per the guest preference and liking we add to the chaat comes.
What is it?
This is a spicy chana again, which again goes with the chaat.
Okay.
This is spicy chips, potato chips. This is kachori.
Okay.
Samosa.
Kachori and samosa, I guess.
Yes, samosa is here.
Okay.
Ragda is here.
Okay.
The sev papdi, the mint chutney.
Okay.
These are again the condiments of the chaat which goes along with the inside the chaat.
Chutney looks so tempting, yeah. So this is how they are supposed to put it on. So you can see some kind of, what is it exactly?
This is matri, basically called as matri.
Okay.
This is crunchy, savory.
Okay.
Which goes well with the chaat, which goes well with the bhel puri and the sev puri also.
And you also have some kind of curd, dahi basically, and then onions. What is it exactly?
It's pani puri stuffing, sir.
Okay.
With butter and chana, moong.
Okay, and you also have pani puri water. It's kind of a bit spicy, right?
Yeah, spicy. That's we add hing, jeera.
Okay.
All types of
Class. I'll just take a full snap of it. You can see at the back end, you are actually listening to beautiful music. Great. So this is how the dish has prepared for us. Great. Class. Thank you. Okay, so now guys, we have just came inside. So that was the patio. Now I'm just inside the restaurant. Sir, you can just
This is a
start
bread
it.
counter for the brunch, which is
Okay.
different varieties of brunch. We have soup counter.
Okay.
Next we have a food
So
counter.
these are some kind of European.
Yeah, these are the display breads which are done with the same, some sesame rolls, some focaccia, and the panini rolls. which
By
are-
the Prakash sir is actually a master of the European cuisines, so I'm sure I'll going to have some kind of.
This is the soup counter we start on with the condiments. The cowstay soup, basically an Asian soup which is served along with noodles, fried noodles,
Okay.
ground garlic, peanuts, lemon juice. It is a version of veg and non-veg. So basically,
So what do you get in the non-veg?
non-veg you put chicken and prawns
Okay.
as per the guest preferences. We try to make the soup from inside, we heat and then serve the guests on table.
Super. Yeah.
It's a tomato shawarma. It's a classic Indian shawarma. It's made with extract of tomato and the flavors of coriander added to it.
Okay. So
This is again lemongrass chili prawns, a classic Asian dish. The fried prawns which are tossed in a hoisin sauce.
okay.
This again is Afghani mood seekh kebab, means chicken which is put on the seekh and cooked in the tandoor charcoal.
Oh, lovely.
So this is basically again chicken mince kebab. This is a paneer tikka, classic paneer tikka which is marinated with curd and the lal mirch, which is a classic lal mirch, degi mirch, which gives the flavor and texture and the color to the paneer, which is a starter for us in a vegetarian option.
Look at the gigantic paneer chunks here.
These are honey chili vegetables, so basically all crispy vegetables which are also honey chili vegetables, garnished with spring onions and coriander.
Okay. Huh.
The slow cooked lamb, which is a European dish, is served with bell peppers and the juice.
So which is your specialty basically?
my European specialty.
You are basically a
So these are all the
master of
dishes
it.
which are created.
Obviously a
with,
master of everything.
yeah, with my chefs here.
Super.
The spinach and ricotta cannelloni with cherry tomato sauce. This is coming more, and the guests are loving it, so they are trying to finish
I
it
can
as
see
early
that
as
everything is
possible.
finished.
So we are refilling it on a. We make it in smaller batches so the guests get the refreshed and they love the taste and the flavor. Same with my eggplant parmigiana. It's a basically eggplant parmigiana is a dish which is layered with bell peppers, eggplant, and top up with cheese and grated on the salamander.
Okay.
So this is a basic classic eggplant cannoli which comes from Greece, the Greece dish. This is a veg fried rice. This is an Asian dish again, which is a combination of brunch. So we have a Asian veg fried rice, a stir fried vegetables to accompany with that, and a crispy black bean lamb sauce with that, along with that. So we have vegetarian and non-vegetarian option which are both given on the front so that guests who are vegetarian and non-veg both have the same choice of veg and non-veg to go on. The honey chili lamb with the black bean sauce, which is one of the favorite and a loving dish which guests always ask on the Sunday brunches. We try to keep always retain our dishes which have been loved
Fantastic.
and enjoyed by the guests.
What is it, sir?
It's my cheese buffet, basically varieties
Okay.
of cheese which we served on the brunch with the
Okay.
cheese crackers, wraps. I have cheese Emmental, Gouda and cheddar to be kept with the displays of olives on the brunch. A simple green salad which the guests like to prefer and take with the Indian food. Then again I have a sushi and non-veg counter. We have sushi.
Oh, I'm just going to have this one. This is looking so tempting for me.
Sushi are a mix of vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Non-vegetarian I have salmon, nuri and sashimi on my buffet today, which is loved by the guests.
And that is served with what exactly is this, sir?
This is soya sauce and this is the wasabi.
Sorry, this is soya sauce and that is oh crazy sushi counter.
And a gelato bar.
Uh-huh.
So we make a flat ice cream, homemade ice cream from here.
Okay.
The chef is going to show you how he makes his ice cream
Okay.
with the guest choice of condiments for he put in.
Super. Let's see it from the chef himself.
So this is basically ice cream rolls which we make here on the ice cream counter.
Okay.
The choice of guest fillings. It can be a berries, it can be a sauce, it can be a chocolate, it can be a tutti frutti.
Okay.
As for the guest choice, we make the chocolate rolls and serve it to the guest.
Guys, you can see this is happening live for you guys. So this is a tutti frutti. Is that one?
Yeah.
The Prakash sir?
Yes, it's a tutti frutti. These are the Oreo crumbs.
Okay.
Which goes well with this. We have some chocolate to go inside.
Uh-huh. What is it, sir?
Chocolate cookies, chocolate chips,
Okay.
which goes well with the chocolate ice cream. A nice crunchy and whole chocolate flavors get rolled in the ice cream.
Great.
Which gives the amazing flavor to that. A chocolate sauce again.
Okay.
So we can roll now.
Now you can see the magic, guys. You'll see the magic. It is going to get rolled. The thing what we get to see in various videos. Now I'm going to say it live, and obviously I'm going to show it to you as well. Happening right in front of us. Crazy stuff is happening. There's a mannerism they are supposed to, serve with that. So that Prakash sir is actually guiding his junior chef. One sec. Oh, look at the way it has been served. Crazy. Very massive, you can see. And it has
These are
a lot of...
chocolate rolls. We have different flavors of ice cream which are on the counter. So as per the guest preferences, we make the chocolate rolls and add the flavoring according to the guest preferences.
Amazing, sir. Amazing. Thank you. Starting with salad now.
Salad. Yeah, this is a salad counter, which is a refreshment which people love to eat. People are with more of a consciousness of healthness and wellness. So the salad counter is basically planned in that way. So the salads are basic made with vegetables, protein, and the seafood. So the balanced calories, the balanced meal can be preferred by the guest and taken by the guest. So this is basically roulades with the chicken mince. It's rolled and steamed. So
Okay.
this is chicken roulade which is high in protein. I have a fish roulade which goes well with the bell peppers, which people love to have. The classic roulades which are made for the brunches. This is again cucumber cup which are served with the smoked salmon.
Okay.
So one of the classic dish which people love to eat on the brunch day.
And you also have cucumber, and then obviously gold, and obviously you have fresh fruits as well.
Fresh fruits. So basically the idea behind in the salad counter is to make sure the guests get the wellness.
And this is just one part of it, right? So let's...
Classic Arabic mezes which are served on the brunch. We have Lebanese, beetroot Lebanese, baba ganoush, hummus, which are eaten with the pita bread and the grissini sticks.
Okay.
These are the classic Arabic mezes which we serve it on the Sunday brunch. The hummus which is made with the chickpea, the baba ganoush which is made with the eggplant roast, the Lebanese which is made with the hunkard. This again is salad bar consists of a classic pasta salad, the egg and zucchini balsamic dressing, Italian salad. I have a roast pumpkin and cherry tomato salad, again a very healthy roast which can be loaded as a salad. Then a beetroot and apple feta crumble is again one of the healthy dish which we try to serve on our salad bars. We just try to prefer and eat as a more towards the wellness side.
And these are
These are the
common then.
condiments, with the lettuce. The guests try to make their own salads. So we try to help the guests to understand the condiments, what you like to
So
have.
basically, when the guest can customize their salad by themselves.
Exactly, sir. It's a customized salad.
Nice concept. Yeah.
So the guests can take by themselves.
And those are accompanied by this. You just have those accompaniment, right? Crazy.
There are displays of pearl onions, like oranges, lemons.
Okay. Just for the display.
Display.
Okay, great. So sir, where are we now?
We are on the Indian section now. This is
Okay.
a ghost dalcha, a classic Nawabi dish, which mutton and the dal, which
Okay.
comes together in the preparation. A classic dish which comes from the north of India. It's a mutton with the dal.
It has a mutton also?
Yeah, mutton with dal.
Amazing.
Vegetables inside.
So this dish is from which part of the India actually?
It's a North Pub, a Nawabi dish, which can call it, which comes
Okay,
from
so
the,
must be.
the Lucknow style of it.
Oh, okay. So what is it, sir? Nawabi Murg?
Nawabi Murturga. This is again a Lucknowi classic preparation, which is rich with cream and butter.
Yeah, you can
Made
see
in a brown
the
gravy.
big
Yeah.
chunks of chicken.
Chicken, which are cooked in a nice korma gravy.
Nice.
This is the mean mani ponchu. It's a South Indian, a classy South Indian dish,
Uh-huh.
which is basically a fish curry with a base of coconut.
Okay.
Which is
So
served
this
along-
is coming from which part of India?
This is from the south part of India.
Okay, but is it from Kerala or
This is
Tamil?
from this is more towards the
Kerala?
Telangana. Andhra.
Oh, okay.
Telangana.
The
Andhra.
coastal side of the Telangana. Okay.
This is a paneer bharwa is again a North Indian dish which is rich with paneer is stuffed paneer.
Yeah, it's kind of Punjabi dish
Exactly.
actually.
So it is served in a rich gravy. Again.
Yeah, and you can see the big chunks of
paneer
yeah,
with a stuff inside and then served on the buffet.
correct. Let's move to
It's a
What
kum
is-
matar palak, the classy
Kum matar palak.
kum palak.
what exactly kum means?
Kum is mushroom, sir. Mushroom with
Oh,
butter
okay.
and palak. So it's a classy dish which is always preferred and loved by the guests. So we try to engage our dishes which have been more preferred and asked by the guests. And more
Okay,
popular on
basically the
branches.
popular dishes you have been preparing it.
The
Yeah,
classic malai kofta, rich white gravy and a kofta inside.
correct.
So people love to again have kofta with some nice breads, hot breads in it. This is again a mixed vegetable sabzi. This is a subs kolhapuri.
Kolhapur is clearly
Yeah.
must be very spicy, huh?
Spicy. This comes from the
100%
Maharashtrian dish,
Correct.
which is from the region of Kolhapur where red chilies have been added. This is Sultani dal again, a north side dal. Sultani dal is basically a dal which has been simply tempered with some red chilies and cumin seeds, which has been served along with this.
Along with?
Along with the steamed rice. Sir.
Okay. Yeah, so basically this is normal, the steam rice. Correct.
The curd rice which is served here as an accompaniment of the brunch. With that-
So what are you keeping here? All
So
this
this is a display which gives an element and color to my buffet counter.
Okay.
That's the reason they have been added. These are the ingredients which are used in cooking the food. So we just try to display it out the food. This is a biryani counter again. So I have the curd and the raita which to be served with the biryani. So
Great.
this is my mutton biryani, classic Hyderabadi mutton biryani.
Oh my god, so basically it's an authentic biryani
Authentic
which is getting...
which we call as a kache gosht ki biryani. So
Ah.
basically the gosht is marinated overnight and then the next day the gosht is cooked with the rice. That's how it's called the kache gosht ki biryani. The mutton and the rice is cooked together. That's a classic Hyderabad biryani, which is the same chicken dum biryani. The chicken is cooked, again the rice is put and then the dum is given on a big handi under the tawa. So when the rice, the flavors of chicken and the rice get infused together, so it is called a chicken dum biryani.
Okay. So this is again in a Hyderabadi style?
Hyderabadi.
Authentic, basically I'm...
Yeah. So this is again the vegetable biryani, which is again cooked in the same way. We cooked marinated a vegetable the day before. We try to cook in a nice curd-based gravy. On top we add a rice, flavored rice on top of it, and we try to give a dum with rice and vegetables so that the infusion of vegetables and flavors of vegetable get into the rice. This classic mirchi ka salan, which is made with a dry coconut and mirchi, which is accompaniment of the biryani. It's a classic Hyderabadi accompaniment of biryani, raita and salan. If you order a biryani in Hyderabad, you will get along with raita and salan.
Okay,
So it only happens in Hyderabad that you get raita
yeah,
and
that's what I was supposed to say. The salan usually you get in Hyderabad, not anywhere
It's a
else.
classic dal makhani, a North Indian preparation, which is one of the best favorite dishes on the brunch. So we try to retain these dishes on the brunch where people enjoy. They come here to enjoy their favorites. So we try to keep all their favorites on the brunch, so they don't have to order and they get everything ready on the buffet to eat.
So basically whatever is popular here, so that is getting prepared and
Yes.
obviously getting
Yes.
served to the guests, customers and obviously guests. Heading to a dessert counter. So sir, maybe you can try and
This
explain.
again one of the delicacy of Hyderabad Marriott's branch. Our dessert counter. This is a mithai sampler which have a rasmalai sandwich made.
What is this? Rasmalai?
It's a rasmalai sandwich. This is double ka meetha, a buffy. This is a chocolate roll.
Okay.
Again, this is a stuffed jamun, stuffed rasgulla with the feta wa doodh se. This is a basic classic recipes of halwa here.
Oh.
This is
something
mohan,
new for me.
Yes, this is a mohan tal which is made with besan.
Oh, amazing. Class.
This is again anjeer roll. Classic anjeer roll made with nuts.
The classic kanji roll, I would
The
say.
anjeer roll, which is
These are pretty common, no?
Yes.
But must be some delicious.
Yeah, it's a khoa gujua, which is stuffed with khoa inside.
Mm-hmm.
The classic again, a dish which is loved by our guests in Hyderabad Marriott, which is rusticate pudding, most lovable and tasty, which made with the dates and the milk inside.
Okay.
Moong dal hawa, Rajasthani preparation again.
Uh-huh.
These are the classy moong dal, Rajasthan made preparation. The halwa made with bhuna hua moong dal ke saath.
Okay.
So the red velvet cupcakes.
Uh-huh.
So this is basically the whole the buffet. The taken round is made with the different flavors added to it. The chocolates are made in different.
Okay.
The Belgium chocolate, the chocolate tart is made with the Morte.
What is this
chocolates.
chocolate?
Chocolate tart. It's made with the Morte chocolates.
Okay.
Same with the pineapple gato, classy fresh pineapple, which is made with a sponge inside. So it's a classy pineapple gato. A creme brulee with nuts inside.
Uh-huh.
So it's a galangal creme brulee, the flavor of galangal inside.
That's most, I think that's a very popular one.
Yeah, the classy baked yogurt, which is made with a rose flavored and saffron inside.
Uh-huh.
Then the brownie, the hazelnut brownie, basically chocolate fudge with a hazelnut stuff inside.
Uh-huh.
This again on the top is a tiramisu cake, which is made with a classy kalua and the coffee liqueur, coffee inside. So it's like
This is something demo, right?
Yeah,
Dummy, right?
Yes.
Sorry.
The dark chocolate and white chocolate mousse, the stuff of two different chocolates put inside.
Uh-huh.
And
This one, right?
yes,
Crazy. This cake looks so tempting,
tempting.
but
It's a dummy
that's a dummy one.
the sago pudding again.
Sago pudding.
It's a
Sugar
classic-
free.
Sugar free sago pudding.
Oh. This is.
This again a chocolate truffle pastry. The chocolates are different, roll in different ways for the brunch. It's a mango Swiss roll.
Mhm.
So this is a Swiss roll. Basically, a Swiss roll is a roll which is a sponge roll with a mango flavor pastry inside. It's called the whole dome is called the mango Swiss roll.
Oh. So this is made up of obviously the mango. And
Mango
what else is
flavor,
there
and
inside,
the sponge is rolled with the mango pastry inside.
right? Okay.
Again, a classic date cake, which is an Arabic preparation.
Uh-huh.
The date cake, which is nice sponge served with a whipped cream on top of it. So whipped cream helps you to make sure the cake does not get dried and it's more weighty when you're eating inside. It's an orange mousse gato again.
Uh-huh.
A simple gato made with orange flavor liqueur
Uh-huh.
and finished with orange pulp over it.
Okay.
The apple pie, a classic English dish, which is made with apple and with the puff inside. So
Yeah, it's basically a British.
Yes, yes.
British I will say. Again, the dummy cake again. Yeah, this is something I find it very real. So look at this massive dessert counter, and probably that's why I usually tell that I am finding the best buffet here in Hyderabad Marriott Convention Hotel. So with this, we are winding up this vlog of the brunch, Sunday brunch